Molweni bafundi, ninjani? Hey guys, welcome to the first practice video for this lesson. So we had quite a lot of topics that I'd like to go over in these practice videos, and for now we'll just look at the important verbs. The first one was sebenza, work, ukusebenza. I'm working, ndiyasebenza. You are working, uyasebenza. I'm not working, andisebenzi. You're not working, awusebenzi. If you want to say I work for, and then the company that you work for, you need to add ela to this verb. So sebenza becomes sebenzela. It's a verbal extension that means you work for a place or at a place, for a company or someone. So I could say ndisebenzela iToyota, or ndisebenzela iWoolworths, etc. The next verb is quite a useful one. It's ukwenza. So on the list I wrote enza because that's the root of the verb. Enza meaning to make or to do. You can't use the verb just like that though. So if you want to say I work, it's ndenza. Sorry, I do. Ndenza. That's the short form. Ndiyenza would be the long form. So you can see we're dropping a vowel here. It's not ndienza and ndiyaenza, but ndenza and ndiyenza. So I could use that to say things like I'm making tea. Ndenza iti. Or I'm making coffee. Ndenza ikofu. If you want to say you do or you make, this u plus enza becomes wenza. Wenza. So you are making coffee. Wenza ikofu. What are you doing? Wenza ntoni. Ntoni means what? You can also shorten this, which is very common, to just add ni at the end of the verb. So what are you doing could also just sound like wenzani. Now the stress shifts, so it's not wenza ntoni, wenzani, because the second last syllable has to be lengthened, as always. What are you doing today? Wenzani namhlanje. And then I don't do andenzi. I'm not making tea. Andenzi iti. So the next verb I wanted to look at was the verb pangela, which also means to work, and more like you're employed somewhere, you have a work, but I think they're quite interchangeable as far as I understand. So ndiyapangela, I work. Uyapangela, you work. Andipangeli, I don't work. Awupangeli, you don't work. Another really important verb, ukubuya, means to return, to come back. So you could say ndiyabuya, I'm coming back. Uyabuya, you're coming back. Andibuyi, I'm not coming back. Awubuyi, you're not coming back. Ubuya nini, when are you coming back? So I could say, for instance, I'm coming back tomorrow, which is ngomso. Ndibuya ngomso. And now I'm going to say a few sentences and give you a bit of time to think of the Xhosa equivalent. So, I work at Woolworths. Ndisebenzela iWoolworths. When are you coming back? Ubuya nini. I want to come back tomorrow. Ndifuna ukubuya ngomso. I want to work today. Namhlanje is today. Ndifuna ukusebenza namhlanje. Okay, that's it for this practice video. There'll be a few more for this lesson. Have a nice day. Ube nemini emnandi.